This is Roman with Fat Fender Garage, about to fire up this 59 and get it outside for the first time. Right now just syncing up the Holley EFI system. We don't have the cluster in it right now, so we're just trying to monitor everything: air, fuel, RPM, oil pressure, air temp. We got our little makeshift coolant temp sensor wired in right here, just because we're putting a dash pad on it, so we don't have the cluster in it yet. Just want to make sure everything's up to par and, you know, be safe. Yeah, let's try it. Double checking all the gauges. Kind of hard with the glare, honestly, outside. I might just go up and down the lot right here. I'm not going to go far. Let's see what we got. Coolant temp looks good. Got 165. Battery voltage 14.4. Fuel pressure 45. Not too bad. Oh yeah, it wants to go. It's almost like nerve-wracking.
It's definitely not like running.
No, it's not running. Not running super clean. It's not bad for sure. Everything looks good right now though, so that's a plus for sure. I'm just gonna wait for the fans to kick on. Crazy how much quieter it gets, huh? The cutouts close. The muffler's definitely doing its thing. Stop's really good. Yeah, RPM a little high, 1150. Oil pressure is good, 42. Air temp, not too bad considering it's mid-June in Arizona at 96 degrees, but fuel pressure is looking solid. Map looks good. We definitely got to get it fine-tuned for sure, but this is the base tune. But I'm just happy it's up and running. I mean, it's been running for a couple of weeks, so we had to finish it up and get some of the drivetrain stuff done and just little fine details. Coolant temp 189, ignition timing 29 degrees. Pretty familiar on how to use all the Holley software, but as far as tuning wise, that's not my forte. It ain't on yet, bro. Gotta wait for that dash pad. Oh, it's good. At times it's a little lean, but I definitely just kind of idled it out. Did a data log and then we'll send it off and see what our tuner says. It's fun. It's definitely an old truck feel for sure. It's cool on the 37s. A little bouncy, not gonna lie, but like just being up there, it's pretty awesome. Pretty surreal to actually get it going and moving, and it's fun. It's gonna be a nice truck. Customer will be super happy. I mean, I'm already happy. And he doesn't even have it yet, so step in the right direction for sure. Fans work, coolant temp's good, all the lights work, horn works. We'll definitely go through our checks, double check, triple check all the fluids and give it our good full inspection and make sure it's good to go. But
how long do you think we got on this one?
I don't know, maybe interior might not touch it for another couple weeks. As long as everything looks good, maybe throw some lap belts in it and maybe get a license plate, and I don't see why we can't start shaking it down before they even start the interior. So we'll put our 1,000 miles on it probably over the next month, and it might be a pretty solid truck by the end of July, not gonna lie. Can't wait. It's sick, dude.
Nice.
It needs to be tuned for sure, but what's in it is solid.
Yeah.
Like it has some power, but it's still, you know.
Sounds nasty, man.
Yeah, those are with the cutouts open right there.